Listen up, you. Are you tired of soggy herbs, crying over onions, and struggling to peel a bloody garlic clove? I've been in professional kitchens for over 30 years, and let me tell you, a few simple tricks can make all the difference. Today, I'm going to share 5 essential kitchen hacks that will elevate your cooking from amateur hour to Michelin star worthy, or at least something close to it. Get your notepads ready and pay close attention, because we're about to turn you into a culinary genius. First up, we're tackling those pathetic, wilted herbs you dare to call fresh. You spent good money on them, didn't you? Don't let them go to waste. We're treating them with a little respect. Grab a jar, yes, a simple jar, and fill it with about an inch of water. Now take your herbs, give them a quick rinse and a gentle shake, and trim the ends of the stems. Think of it as a fresh start for these little green wonders. Now stand the herbs upright in the jar, like a bouquet of flavor bombs waiting to explode. Next, grab a plastic bag, one of those flimsy ones from the supermarket will do, and drape it over the top of the jar, making sure the herbs are completely covered. This creates a little greenhouse effect, keeping your herbs hydrated and happy. Pop that jar in the refrigerator and you're done. Your herbs will stay fresh and vibrant for days, even weeks, longer than if you'd left them to wither in the crisper drawer. No more limp parsley, no more slimy basil. Just fresh, flavorful herbs ready to elevate your dishes. And don't even think about throwing away those stems. They're packed with flavor too. Save them up and use them to infuse oils, vinegars, or stocks. Waste not, want not, you hear me? Next up, we're waging war on garlic, the backbone of countless delicious dishes. But let's be honest, peeling those cloves can be a real pain in the arse. But fear not, my culinary comrades, because I'm about to show you a technique that's so easy, even a toddler could do it. Well, maybe not a toddler, but you get the idea. Grab a jar with a lid, the bigger, the better, and toss in those stubborn garlic cloves. Now put that lid on tight and get ready for a workout. Shake that jar like your life depends on it. Up and down, side to side, channel your inner rage and give it all you've got. After about 30 seconds of vigorous shaking, open the jar and behold the magic. The skin should be falling off those garlic cloves like confetti after a championship win. If you see any stubborn bits clinging on for dear life, just give them a little flick or rub them between your fingers and they'll come right off. And there you have it, perfectly peeled garlic cloves, ready to be minced, crushed, or roasted to perfection. No more sticky fingers, no more garlic breath that could knock over a donkey. Just pure, pungent garlic goodness, ready to take your cooking to the next level. Now let's talk citrus. Lemons, limes, oranges. These zesty little fruits bring a burst of freshness to any dish. But are you getting every last drop of juice out of them? Probably not, you lazy sod. But don't worry, I'm here to show you the way. Before you even think about reaching for that juicer, grab your citrus fruit and give it a good roll on the countertop. Yes, you heard me right, roll it. Apply a bit of pressure with the palm of your hand and roll it back and forth like you're trying to start a fire. This simple action helps to break down the cell walls inside the fruit, releasing more of that precious juice. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Once you've given your citrus fruit a good massage, slice it open and juice it as usual. You'll be rewarded with a torrent of juice, enough to make even the most demanding recipe proud. And don't you dare think about tossing those leftover rinds. They're packed with flavor and aroma. Use them to infuse oils, sugars, or even cocktails. A little zest goes a long way, you hear me? Now let's move on to a kitchen staple that's often the source of much frustration: butter. We've all been there. You're ready to bake, but that brick of butter in the fridge is harder than a concrete block. But fear not, my culinary comrades, because I'm about to share a trick that will soften your butter in a flash, without any microwaving or melting mishaps. Grab your cheese grater, yes, you heard me right, your cheese grater, and give it a good wipe down. We don't want any lingering cheese flavors messing with our butter. Now take that cold, hard block of butter and start grating it, just like you would a block of cheddar. You'll be amazed at how quickly it softens up. The large surface area of the grated butter allows it to come to room temperature much faster than a solid block. Within minutes, you'll have soft, spreadable butter, ready for all your baking needs. No more waiting around, no more unevenly mixed ingredients, just perfectly softened butter every time. It's like magic, but without all that mystical mumbo-jumbo. Finally, let's tackle a common kitchen mishap that can turn your stovetop into a sticky, starchy mess, boiling over. Whether you're cooking pasta, rice, or a big pot of soup, keeping that bubbling cauldron contained can be a real challenge. But fear not, my culinary comrades, because I'm about to share a simple trick that will keep your pots from boiling over, saving you from a world of cleaning headaches. Grab a wooden spoon, yes, a simple wooden spoon, and keep it handy by the stove. Now when you've got a pot simmering away, lay that spoon across the top of the pot, handle to handle with the rim. That's it. This humble kitchen tool acts as a barrier, preventing those pesky bubbles from escaping and creating a volcanic eruption on your stovetop. The science behind this trick is simple. The wood disrupts the surface tension of the boiling liquid, causing the bubbles to collapse before they have a chance to spill over. It's like magic, but without all that mystical mumbo-jumbo. So there you have it, a foolproof way to keep your pots from boiling over, saving you time, effort, and a whole lot of scrubbing. And remember, a clean stovetop is a happy stovetop, and a happy stovetop means happy cooking. There you have it, you bunch of culinary disasters. 5 essential kitchen hacks that will change the way you cook forever. No more excuses for subpar meals or messy kitchens. These tips are simple, effective, and guaranteed to elevate your cooking game. Now get out of my kitchen and go put these tips to the test. Impress your friends, astonish your family, and most importantly, make me proud.